the creative it.
I Aurobindo, the Vice President. I Srijan, the President.
The members of the Precision Availing Robotics team of Mount Carmel Dwarka stand before you to explain about a new robot. This robot is designed to be an efficient tool in serving and dining purposes. This robot will serve food to the guests sitting across the table and further replace waiters in the future. Now I would explain my robot. We have used some materials like wood, square plates, sensors, exhaust fan, one robotic brain, 4 wheels, 4 small gears, 2 big gears. The base of a robot is made of wood, which is lightweight and strong. It consists of 2 motors, which is connected to a big gear and connected to 2 small gears and further connected to 2 wheels. The gear system in which a big gear is connected to 2 small gears decreases the torque and increases the speed of the robot. If the RPM of the motor is 75, then the RPM of the wheels would be 150. The 2 sensors makes the robo work as a line follower, and the third sensor makes the robo work as an obstacle stopper. Working of the sensors. If the sensor 1 detects the black line and sensor 2 detects a white line, then the robo would turn right. And if the sensor 1 detects a white line and sensor 2 detects a black line, then the robo would take a left turn. If sensor 1 and 2 detects the white line, then the robo would move straight. If the sensor 3 detects any object, then the robo would stop, else the robo would keep moving. We have also used an exhaust fan to prevent overheating of the brain, because the major problem in India is people use machines blindly, which causes malfunction of the machine due to overheating. Now we will show how our robo works.
As you can see, the robot follows the white line and takes the left turn. When the person keeps his hand in front of the third sensor, the robot stops and the person can take his food. If you like our robot, please like it on YouTube.